I'm Tekka Thompson, Farm to Table Chef, and today we're talking about how to garden organic tomatoes. But behind me I have my tomato plants. You either want to start from organic seed or organic transplants, both which you can find at your local home and garden store. And then you want to pick out a nice sunny spot. Tomatoes like lots of sun. I've also chosen to put them on a wall because they need a lot of support, as well as putting them in their little baskets when they're small after I've transplanted them to the ground. I also put them on this wall so when they grow over the basket, I can use twine to tie them up and against. Most of the time they're a summer fruit that grows on a vine. They're going to need a lot of water and occasional trimming. I like to trim the leaves of the tomato plant back, the leaves that don't yield any flowers, which are the ones that are going to actually produce the tomato. So if you take a leaf like this, and you can see it doesn't have any flowers like this one does up here, and you'll just want to trim it off. And that allows the tomato plant to have more energy to put in the flowers, which will create the tomato fruit. Also, you'll want to make sure your ground is fertile with compost and fertilizer, and continue to water, and you should get a yield of healthy, beautiful, organic tomatoes like I do every year. And they're great for salsa, pastas, anything your family needs. I'm Tekka Thompson. That is how to farm organic tomatoes. Thanks for watching.